Senator Juan?
Well, siyempre, nakakalungkot, no? Dahil si Manong Johnny is probably sa history, hindi wala nang makakatalo sa kanila yung service sa gobyerno. I will always remember him because he was my seatmate, no, during my first term in the Senate in 2013 in Wile, Ercito. So for those years na magkatabi kami, siyempre, I learned a lot from his wisdom, knowledge, and mga advices niya. Hindi ko makakalimutan. I will always cherish those moments na siyempre baguhan ako, siyempre Senado ito, ibang level, no? You fight. So, yung advices niya and mga tinuturo niya sa atin during that time really helped me a lot also during my first term in the Senate. So, my seatmate, my Manong Johnny, I will never forget. Even in his advanced age, alala ko na kahit na hindi na siya, nahihirapan na siya makita. Bubulong na ako, Manong Johnny, si JB po. Ay, JB, gagano'n pa rin. So, nakaka-touch. Tsaka lahat ng laban ko, yes, supported me. So, I will never forget. So, like him or not, JP is one of the most brilliant and most clever minds that has really walked the halls of the Senate.
Bali magkakaroon ng negro sa Senate?
Most likely kasi he was our former Senate President. So, siguro schedule na lang ng leadership.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.